Hello everyone, I'm John Simonelli.
I'm Greg Day.
I'm Pat Davis, a member of the Encinitas Rotary Club.
Our club is doing a very special project today in Tijuana, Mexico.
Encinitas Rotary Club is building a house for a family in need.
Come along with us.
Real quick question, why do you do this?
Because there's a need and we can.
25 years ago, Project Mercy did a house for my family.
Okay, so we are here in downtown Encinitas, and we got this truck, that truck, this truck, all these people. We are gonna go build a house today in Tijuana.
With a lot of help from a lot of good people, mainly out of the United States, and with an incredible Mexican work crew that helps supplement the teams from the United States.
Hello, this is Paula, and I just, how many houses have you built down here, Paula?
We figure we've built about 1,600, possibly more. This is south of Tijuana. We're almost in Rosarito. We're off what they call the Dos Mil, which is the main highway that goes down to Rosarito. And yeah, these are the first houses we've built here.
Okay, cool.
Bit noisy, sorry.
Yeah, a bit noisy. We're cutting the door. You can see the frame of the door being cut in right now. There's different organizations who donate money. And what does this project cost?
It's 7,500 with the outhouse, but actually costs of lumber are going up, and we're thinking we're going to have to push it up a couple of hundred. We'll see what happens, but last year it went up and came back down. We're waiting to see what happens this year.
Cool, and that comes with the slab, right?
Oh yeah.
That's the poured slab. So when we walked up here this morning, there was a ton of lumber right here. It's all getting painted right now as we speak. Up there's the front door. And then the walls got tilted up and all that stuff is happening. So that's 7,500 bucks. And I saw an outhouse. Here's the outhouse. So the outhouse is right here.
There's no sewer here, unfortunately. It is more of a kind of septic tank leach field. Eventually, hopefully, they will have a sewer. The need is huge. Kids need a decent place to grow, and everybody deserves a dry roof over their head.
Yeah.
So they're all legal. They paid money on the land. They're not squatters.
How do they go about getting the land? How do they acquire the land? Is the land rented or bought?
No, it's bought.
Just to put it into some sort of perspective, how much does this plot cost?
Total, they vary between about 8,000 and 24,000, which is a tremendous amount of money for people that only earn about $100 a week.
Well, this is a very cool thing that you do for everybody, and I just want to make sure that we capture all this.
So rewarding for all of us. There isn't anybody here who wouldn't agree with me that this is one of the most rewarding things that they've ever done in their lives.
There's nothing that makes us happier. I mean, this is a great day. Love to volunteer for this. It's a great cause.
Why do you come down here and do this, Doctor?
Same reason as Chris.
It's a selfish thing because it makes me feel good.
These people have next to nothing, and if we can give them a house that they can live in and raise their kids and be safe, well worth it.
It makes me happy. It's a beautiful thing. I think that the people here volunteering are doing, and I'm loving to be part of this.
You give them the keys at the end of the day, and you see them light up. It's like the best thing that ever happened to them.
Having a slab instead of dirt, for them it's life and death for some of them in the winter when we do them.
25 years ago, Project Mercy did a house for my family.
How old are you now?
27.
You're 27 now, okay.
Paula found us and they make a house for us.
And so what do you do?
Music teacher. I'm a math teacher.
Building like that tape measure right there, that's easy stuff for you.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we're going to hand this house over to these people who are living down here, who have been living in a house. And that's going to make everything worthwhile.
I feel the good vibes of helping other people out.
That's great.
It feels good.
It feels real good.
Feeling like you get help and give it a hand, for whoever needs it.
What an awesome experience that was.
We gave Maria a house.
We provided her family with the safety of a roof that doesn't leak and a front door that locks.
If you're interested in learning more about this
And many other projects that our Encinitas Rotary Club does.
please come and be our guest.
Have lunch with us every Wednesday at noon at the Elks Lodge in Cardiff, California. Thank you.
Please join us.